There are actually 3 different types of lightning: the kind that happens inside a cloud, between clouds, and then the one we're more used to, which happens between a cloud and the ground. They all have to do with electrostatic discharge at super high voltages. But what the heck is really happening when lightning strikes? Think of it as clouds dancing around so vigorously that the poor little frozen raindrops inside keep bumping into each other. Ouch! Positively charged protons build up at the top of the cloud and negatively charged electrons form at the bottom. But opposites attract, so the negatively charged electrons then attract positive protons from the nearest thing below it, like trees, buildings, cats, dogs, raccoons, space monkeys, mole people, whatever. This attraction keeps building up until it's just too much to handle, and flash! You've got a lightning strike. Tested 101 releases videos 7 days a week. Please subscribe, guys.